How to make a woman wet during sex. Hi guys, we're back with another interesting topic. How to make a woman wet during sex. A lot of men have been asking this question and I'm gonna tell you what to do. Well, without further ado, let's dive into our topic. To make a woman or your partner wet, foreplay plays a very important role during sex. So what's a foreplay? Foreplay is a series of physical and emotional acts that are intended to create sexual arousal and desire for sexual activity. It can include a variety of activities such as kissing, sharing fantasies, touching genitals, cuddling, texting, and talking. Foreplay is often thought of as a warm-up to intercourse, but it doesn't always have to lead to it. It can be enjoyable enough to be the main event. Foreplay can help prepare the body for intercourse, especially for women, by increasing vaginal lubrication. Synonyms of foreplay include arousal and stimulation. Foreplay is important for many reasons, including emotional connection. Foreplay can help you and your partner feel closer by triggering hormones that reduce stress and deepen your connection. Health benefits. Foreplay can stimulate the brain and nerves, strengthen the immune system, and help you resist aging. It can also be a better stress reliever than intercourse. Variety. Foreplay can add spice to your sex life by helping you discover new ways of arousal. Intimacy. Foreplay can provide greater intimacy between you and your partner. Mutual pleasure. Foreplay is important for achieving mutual pleasure from the sexual act. Satisfaction. Foreplay can be key to satisfaction. Orgasm. Foreplay is important for achieving orgasm, especially for women who do not necessarily achieve an orgasm through penetrative sex. So what kind of foreplay should you do to make her wet? Well, I've made a list about it and here is it. 1. Whisper in her ears. Whispering can be a way to increase intimacy and closeness, which can lead to orgasm for some people. Whispering in a partner's ear can be a form of oral stimulation that can help a partner achieve orgasm. Gentle music or nature sounds can also increase feelings of closeness and comfort. 2. Lip-to-lip kiss. Kissing can turn you on, and here's some benefits of kissing. Number 1. Hormones. Kissing releases hormones and neurotransmitters that can stimulate arousal. Saliva contains testosterone, which can signal sexual availability. Kissing also stimulates the brain hormones dopamine and oxytocin, which promote bonding and attachment. Number 2. Open mouth and tongue kissing. These types of kissing are especially effective in increasing sexual arousal because they increase the amount of saliva produced and exchanged. Number 3. Romantic kissing. Romantic kissing can lead to sexual arousal and is often the driving force behind a woman's decision to have sex with someone. Kissing has many other purposes, including bonding. Kissing can help create and maintain bonds with partners. Stress relief. Kissing can reduce stress and increase feelings of trust, satisfaction, and closeness. Health benefits. Kissing can boost immunity and improve dental health. Increased metabolic rate. Kissing can increase your metabolic rate. Improved oral health. Kissing can improve your oral health. 4. Exploit her weak spot. Rubbing her clit with your hand or your tongue can make her wet. Mostly finding a G-spot and stimulating it can also make a woman wetter. So where is the G-spot? I'll answer it, but before that, like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. Done. Then let's continue to our answer. Where's the G-spot? The G-spot is typically found on the anterior wall of the vagina, approximately 2 to 3 inches up, toward the belly button. The exact location and sensitivity of the G-spot can differ from one person to another. Some may find it easily, while others require more time and exploration. 5. Dry humping. Dry humping generally involves rubbing or grinding your genitals against your partner's body or genitals. In many cases, one or both partners are at least partially clothed. 6. Lube it up. Lubrication reduces friction in the vagina, increasing comfort during sex and minimizing any feelings of soreness or irritation. So these are some good tips to make her wet in bed, and I hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.